Hello and welcome everyone. I know there are a lot of Lone Riders Motolight fans out there, and I have seen dozens of videos of how to install them and how long does it take to install. However, today I'm going to show you the world's fastest installation of Lone Riders Motolights on my 1250 GSA by none other than Gino The Flash mechanic. If there was ever a Justice League for motorcycles, Gino would definitely be the Flash in that role.
It's not even been 30 minutes and Gino has practically removed everything that takes around an hour at all time. Look, not even 30 minutes. The whole bike is gone. Everything is gone. Look at this speed. Nothing left. Alright. The whole bike disassembled, or at least the outer shell. There's Gino's bike. One of his 10 bikes, sorry. Not a bike. There, lights are out. Look at these beauties. Wow. Mount already done. Lights are ready to be installed. We are at roughly 40-minute mark.
And Gino, by profession, is not a mechanic. I just asked a question on Bad Monkey's Motorcycle Club about some sources where I can get my Lone Rider lights installed. And Gino, a fellow biker, just offered me to install them at no cost on his own in his own basement parking. And that's how I ended up with Gino in Dubai. And today you are going to see full clean installation, no shortcut, no workaround. He removed literally everything for my motorbike and did an absolutely clean wiring installation of these lights. What a wonderful mechanic, what a wonderful person. More importantly, he is. So here goes the installation. So as you saw, Gino finished everything in 2 hours and 21 minutes.
Meet Gino. He finished everything from start to finish in 2 hours, 30 minutes. Cleanly disassembled, assembled again. 2 hours, 30 minutes max, maybe 2 hours, 20 minutes. Everything is done.
What a wonderful person he is. Thank you very much, Gino. And thank you, Bad Monkey's Motorcycle Club, for finding me such lovely friends and colleagues.
Thank you very much, Gino. Very welcome.
If anyone has done quicker installation in less than 2 hours and 20 minutes, please do give some comment. I hope you enjoyed this.